Those two on the ground over there are, though. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a real big one. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Giant. What a giant. What a big one. Come on, buddy. What a big one. They're catching toads on the A-rig. There we go. I'd say good, but decent. Back where you belong. Two on the ground over there are, though. That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a real big one. Oh, it's two fish. Oh, I doubled up on the A-rig. Oh my God, that's why it feels so big. It's two fish. This is fucking crazy. And they're both big. They're both pretty big. Okay. All right. Oh, I got one. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh my God. Hold on, let's get away from here. Stop, stop, stop. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is insane. I gotta take a photo with the phone. I'm gonna get the scale out first. All right. Zero down. You see that? 4, 4, 1, 4, 1 on that one. So this is probably a 2 something over here. Dude, this is crazy. Oh my God. Okay, all right, I gotta take a picture. Oh my God. Oh my God. A double release. You gotta give him some time. The issue is they keep swimming towards the damn boat. Also, I do get some followers out of that shit too every once in a while. Well, yeah, I don't see him. Oh, I got a follower. Cat and mouse in him. There he is. He ain't small neither. Oh, but the big rod gets him in the boat, buddy. Hell yeah, look at that sucker. Look how long he is. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah, I scoped that one up. Look at that, dude. Look how long that fish is. That's a high 3. Sure. Oh, it wasn't zeroed. Sorry, buddy. Me 0. Oh, he's a low 3. Low 3. My bad. Oh, I'm touching it. My bad. I thought it was frozen. 326. 326. Crazy. Crazy, dude. These fish are crazy today. $326. Letting him go. Long fish. Jeez, dude. That's a long 3-pounder, man. He's kind of skinny, but that's a long 3-pounder. I'll get the release here on camera. We'll throw another cast in there. All right. The whole school will come out. Damn, he's got some head shakes. He didn't look that big. But that is a fighting son of a gun, huh? Dang, son. Dang, son. Got some head shakes to him. Oh, it's in the head, that's why. Yeah, it's because I caught him in the head. Oh, in the eye. Ooh, sorry, buddy. All right, this little fish. Here we go. There we go. Bye-bye. Oh God, there he is. This is a little one. I saw him come up and eat it. That was pretty cool. Came out of nowhere, dude. I didn't see him coming. Like, I just saw him when he got to the bait. Hey, buddy, I'm sorry about you. In the face situation. All right, well, another one. Little one. skin. What exactly what this is? Pull me open. Oh yeah. I was caught up for a second. I think he might be trying to do it again. Yep. I don't know if you guys. Oh, he got off. He wasn't very big. There's a tree right here. Get caught up on. He bit me up right under the boat, dude. All I know is all I know is 10:35. Your arms around me, around me. Okay. One move. That doesn't look like he's moving fast though. It doesn't look like he's coming. I'm forking it. Make like that same cast but a little bit out. This is going. How you and me are going. Come on. There he is. There he is. Yeah, I watched him. Let him jump around for the camera a little bit, you know? Oh, he's pulling. Oh, okay. All right, big guy. Big guy. Oh. I'll get it around him. Alright, I'll fix it in a second. There you go, there's one. Bing bong.
Don't say we can't, oh, just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up. You fetched your ideas from nowhere, all from another world. Your logic's impaired, your full picture is cropped. Cause we both know one day they're just gonna try again. Without doubt, might say if all's gonna mend. We both know that one day the sun's gonna rise again. So don't pout for our sake, cause this ain't the end. You're so